This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Facebook Messenger chat to GoDaddy website. First of all, you have to open this website apps.smarttarget.online. Once you're here, use your email ID to create a free account. Once you created an account, click on Add Website. Now enter here your website URL or domain. Click on Add. Once the website added, click on Configure Apps. And here click on All Apps and select Contact Us. And this is the plugin we are going to use, Facebook Contact Us. So click on Connect App. And here we can see the preview. Now you can change the app behavior from here. Enter your Facebook Messenger ID. And now to change button, you can do it from here. Then click on Save Settings. Once you created the plugin, now click on Integration and scroll down at the bottom. Here you will get this JavaScript code. Use this variant if you want to manually add Smart Target to your site via HTML code change. So you have to copy this code and paste the above code right above the closing body tag of the HTML in your website on every page you want the apps to work. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.